The gap between who you are and who you want to be is exciting. Your brain rewards you just for imagining the future success. However, as soon as you begin the actual work, the novelty fades. The task becomes predictable and boring. Biologically, your brain stops releasing dopamine for things it can already predict. The high vanishes because the activity has moved from new and exciting to boring and routine. You aren't losing your drive. You are just experiencing the chemical drop-off of novelty. The problem isn't that motivation leaves. The problem is that we expect it to stay. We treat motivation like a constant baseline requirement for action. We think, I need to feel like doing it in order to do it. This is the psychological trap. So friends, my story was quite similar. In the beginning, I used to get very motivated by watching reels on Instagram, thinking I would lose weight, build a fit body, and perhaps impress my friends or others. However, as I joined the gym, that motivation faded gradually. That's when I came across some practical rules that helped me. The first rule is 2-minute rule. I started with just 2 minutes of preparation for the gym, like putting on my clothes and boots. This was so easy that I could do it every day. The second rule is dopamine engineering. To maintain motivation, I started rewarding myself. After the gym, I would eat my favorite treat or relax for a while. This sent a positive signal to my brain and kept me going. And the third rule, and most important, is never miss twice. If I missed a day, I made sure to go the next day. This is how I maintained my habit. Remember, friends, you can't rely only on motivation. Motivation is like a spark. It ignites sometimes and fades other times. The real key is discipline and forcing yourself. You have to understand that consistent effort is crucial, whether motivation is present or not. This is the path that will lead you to success in every aspect of life. If this video added value, drop a like and subscribe for more practical psychology.